In this chapter 11, today I'm going to share with you on property maintenance. Property maintenance means you need your tenant to upkeep of your interior and exterior of your property to help preserve the top-notch conditions on your house. Your tenant is the caretaker and responsible for fixing some damages and replacing some of the spoiled equipment throughout the rental tenancy period. Generally, if your tenant breaks something, they have to pay and repair it. For example, after a period of staying, some light bulb has burned, carelessly spoiled your furniture, or even some glasses break that caused by tenant, they have to report to you and they should pay and fix it. As a tenant, they should treat this property as if theirs. If they can keeping the floors, walls, kitchen and bathroom clean and in the best condition possible. As a landlord, it's your responsibility to ensure your property is in a livable condition. For those problems that not related to your tenant's carelessness, for example, roofing leaking, cracks on the wall, faulty air ventilation, short circuit or electric wiring, and those clog guttering, you should perform these repairs immediately. Ladies and gentlemen, those are the tips in the chapter on property maintenance. Thank you so much for watching this chapter of my sharing video. In the next chapter, I'm going to share with all of you on managing budgets.